everyone, welcome back to another video. We're going to make some penne pasta. In it we're going to add some soy chunks. If you have the darker one, it's totally fine. What I did here was to season my soy chunks with all-purpose seasoning. I added garlic, I added a little bit of thyme and let it marinate overnight, right? You don't have to marinate it, but marinating your soy chunks or your veggie chunks will allow the seasoning to soak right through your chunks. So when you're ready to use it, it is more flavorful. I am also going to make a white sauce for this pasta. This pasta meal is very easy to make. If time is against you, you can always make this. It's quick, nutritious. The soy chunks will work as a protein and you have a nice complete meal right here. So let's get started. Don't forget guys to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Alright, so here I am going to add some salt to the pot, some olive oil, and 2 cups of the penne pasta. Now that our macaroni has been cooked, what we're going to do now is to just give it a cold bath. So in our pot here now, we're going to saute some scallion because we're going to cook up the chunks. Because remember, all I did was to rehydrate the chunks and just rub it up with seasonings, right? So we still want to cook it up a little. Alright, let's take a look. And if it's it that you decide on doing it this way, don't mash up the chunks, right? Just season it. All of our flavors gone way down in the chunks, and that's what you want to look for. Flavor. We don't want no bland cooking around here, right? So this is what we want now. All the flavors are in it already. It's nice and cooked. What we're going to do is to just take it out because we're going to cook our flour. So in the oil we're going to go in with some garlic, and you want to use like around 3 cloves of garlic. As soon as those flavors start to come together, we're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of flour, and this is to make up our white sauce, right? As soon as your flour is cooked, we're going to add 2 cups of milk. I want you to keep stirring because we don't want any lumps, right? Alright, so now that the milk has started to thicken, what we're going to do is to add in our herbs and some more seasonings, right? So we're going to add, in this I have dry basil, oregano, and some marjoram. Alright, so we're going to go in with that. And just in case the sauce thicken up on you, what you can do is to just add a little bit more milk. We're also going to go in with some red chili pepper, some white pepper, of course you can taste your sauce and see if it's flavorful enough for you, if it needs some salt or what. Alright, so we're going to go in with some salt and garlic powder. Alright, so we add in some sweet peppers, our pasta, and our mince, sorry, our veggie chunks. And you realize that I'm not stirring the pot is because I don't want the pastas to break up. So you just gently push it around, right? And there you have it, guys, something quick, easy, and delicious. I'm telling you, you have to give this a try, guys. Very easy to make. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.